Welcome to Yogicas channel. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're doing half Lord of the Fishes pose, and this is a very grounding movement and very healing for the spine and the spinal alignment especially. We're gonna start with the head rotations. Just deep breaths here and go with the pace that is comfortable for you to both sides. And now we're going to do the half spinal flexes to the front and back. We breathe in when we come to the front and just very gently and slowly here. Very good. And now to start with our asana, sit on the floor with one leg stretched straight in front of you and bend left knee and bring the left foot below the right thigh, and while lifting the right leg a bit and place it close to the right hip, tucking it deep below the right seated bone. Bring the right leg with the knee bent, bring the right foot over the left thigh and place it closely to the outside of the left hip. Taking a deep breath and twisting the upper body, and just take the right palm and place it on the floor just behind you with a twist. And with every inhale, lift a little more through the sternum, pushing the right fingers deep into the left upper thighs, and try to make sure that both sit bones are on the floor, ensuring that the body is balanced. And stay in that pose as long as comfortable. And practicing this asana, it can relieve symptoms of backache, fatigue, menstrual discomfort, and sciatica. With this asana, we are detoxifying the digestive system. We're opening the chest and shoulders, also stimulating the nervous system and enhancing circulation. We are working here with the solar plexus chakra with our Manipura. This will build confidence, willpower, and inner strength. And our affirmation here is I stand in my power with clarity and confidence. We are also working with our Anahata chakra, our heart chakra in the center of the chest. And this encourages compassion, balance, and emotional release. And we are affirming here, I open my heart to healing, love, and connection. And thirdly, we are working with our root chakra, our Muladhara. This is located in the base of the spine. And this creates feelings of stability, groundedness, and security. And we are affirming here, I am grounded, stable, and present in my body. And allow this healing pose, this healing asana, to do its magic. I am rooted in strength and safety. My foundation is steady and unshakable. I trust the ground beneath me. I release fear and return to stability. I am deeply present in this moment. I honor my inner strength and personal power. I trust myself and my decisions. I radiate confidence from within. I turn challenges into opportunities for growth. My inner fire fuels my purpose. I am becoming the strongest version of myself. I open my heart to healing and compassion. With every breath, I release what no longer serves me. Love flows through me effortlessly. I soften, I open, I allow. I give and receive love with ease. My heart is spacious, balanced, and free. Very good. And now gently come out of the pose and give your body gratitude for taking this moment and give this beautiful energy to yourself. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Bye.